Hey y'all, come with me as I cook lunch for my babe. I went to Wegmans today. Cheese pizza. Alrighty, so we have the cheese pizza. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. I've never had Wegmans cheese pizza. They were on sale for $3.99. All right, y'all, come in, have a seat, go get you a Wegmans pizza for $3.99. I'll have it on the screen to let y'all know who is the sister company to Wegmans. But right now, I'm just gonna add some turkey pepperoni to this. We literally only have like a couple. We don't have any at all. Yep, that's it. That's all we got. And we got a couple of olives. Onion powder. Onion powder. A little bit of garlic pepper. Just a bit, not much. You don't need a lot. This stuff, a little bit goes a long way. And that's all you need. And the oven set to 425. And I'm gonna put this on the bottom rack. It's gonna sit in there for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer. Alrighty. I bought some potatoes from Aldi, and I'm about to make us some fries. 4 big spuds. We probably don't even use all of these. I need to throw these mandarins away that I got from Walmart because they are spoiled. They were spoiled when I got them and did not know it until like day 3 of eating them. I noticed that the middle was kind of fuzzy. You know, the little white part that's in the middle was extra fuzzy. And I was just like, oh my God. Because I eat fruit before I go to bed. Girl. Mold. So I can only pray. Alright, let me get a bag. Bring y'all closer. I already got my oven on medium high. And bring y'all down just a bit. How was y'all Thanksgiving? How are y'all liking the first day of Vlogmas? Please let me know in the comments what y'all would like to see. We doing door decorating video because our apartment complex has a contest. I think we're gonna win. I really do. I think we're gonna win. So y'all gonna come along on there. We're gonna, every year, me and Babe decorate a gingerbread house, or we put one together. We do something festive like that. Y'all can come along for that. We go see the Christmas lights. Not every single year, but every other year we do. We didn't go last year, so we'll take y'all to go see the Christmas lights. Just decorate the house, cooking. We are in the middle of flower power. So basically, as long as you have some essentials in your cabinet, you can make food for your family. And so I'm teaching you how to take flour, milk, eggs, butter, oil, whatever you have to make bread. So we made pizza dough by accident. We were supposed to be making dinner rolls, but that's okay. I'm learning too, y'all. My grandmother told me that she always wanted to be a baker. She always wanted to know how to bake, but she baked so good. She was like, anybody can cook if they can follow a recipe. And baby, I tried to follow a recipe, but that tablespoon of salt, girl, took me out. I'll definitely try to figure out how to put the video in the cards for y'all, so y'all could go back and look at that first flour power video. Yeah. So we are done chopping these, well, peeling these potatoes. Oil is ready. That little knife ain't doing that. I seen a lady on a video last night frying French fries, like deep frying them. She had a crust on them and everything. Ooh, these potatoes are good. She had a crust on them and everything. They looked so freaking good. They looked so good. But you know, you're already frying them. Why you gotta add chicken batter? It was an older Caucasian lady. I think I may have seen it, and this is how they gonna turn out. Some of them gonna turn out like fries, some of them gonna turn out like this. Either way, they gonna be edible. I think, if I'm not mistaken, on a road trip, it was a chicken place and a gas station, and they had those battered French fries like that. But I don't think we got any, because they make me nervous looking at them. You know, solely because, like, they already said fried foods is bad, and damn, now we gonna deep fry, not only deep fry potatoes, but we're gonna add a chicken batter. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I think this is gonna be too many potatoes, because we having a hefty dinner. This might be too many potatoes. All right, y'all, so the fries are almost done. There's 3 minutes left on the pizza. Look at that pizza. Ooh, it's hot, 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 hot. Ooh, almost, that was almost bad. That was almost bad. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Y'all, this $3.99 Wegmans pizza look like a dang blasted DiGiorno. No extra cheese. The only thing I put on here extra is the pepperoni and the olives. $3.99, y'all. $3.99 for the best fry seasoning. $1.25 cent store.
Brian, thank you for the heart plus and the daily heart. You got team brother. That's a live series. Oh yeah. See y'all. Yeah, y'all. What y'all got on y'all lunch plate, man? That means lunch. Now we got our Southern gourmet chicken. So you got red velvet. You got banana pudding chicken. Real taste sweet treat. Real sweet treat. Yeah.
I done ate pretty much all of my fries, y'all.
It's all very good. So can I get a piece of time? Look.
All right, y'all.
I
Look
appreciate y'all.
at this
Rosie,
pizza.
welcome in. Jill got
Thick
seeds.
crust.
Rosie says blessings, y'all. Don't be shy. Say it back. Carly, do you know you're nosy?
Got a really
I
good
see
flavor.
y'all.
The bread is
Y'all
really
got
thick.
Homemade fries. Homemade fries. Homemade fries. I thank y'all for
It tastes really good.
towards that goal. I appreciate it. Look, the one that you guys say I'm nosy too. Yeah, I can't talk. I'm nosy. I'm nosy
Take a
as
bite.
well. 30276. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you.
All right, y'all.
Some fries. Oh man.
I'm about to go eat my lunch.
Oh man.
Y'all go eat y'all.
Homemade vegetable soup. Well, that
I
sounds
love
good.
y'all.
I like vegetable soup.
See you tomorrow
Yeah, so we eat
on another day of Vlogmas.
homemade.
Bye.
We make it home-